So I'm back with the Coach Dinky bag with the What's My Bag. A few of you said that you did want to see what can fit, and so I'm going to do that today. So the first thing that I always need to fit in my bag, of course, is my phone. I have my phone case here because I'm recording on my phone, so I would usually stick that in very first, although it usually ends up in my pocket anyway, but yeah, it needs to be able to fit. The other thing is my wallet. For my smaller bags, I use this adorable little Cezanne wallet, like card case wallet. A little worse for wear. I'm realizing I could probably clean that. But right now I'm actually using my larger wallet because I've been using a tote for work all week, but I'm going to switch back into this one for the weekend so I can use my Dinky. And you can see it does fit in there pretty well. So these two would stack. And I think you could definitely fit like a larger phone. So you can fit, like, if you have an iPhone Max or, a bigger phone in general, that can fit in there. So it's already, a lot of the volume is already taken up. It's not a super wide bag. The other thing I need to be able to fit are my keys. I have this for my house keys, this little key protector. And so that would fit in there as well. Probably stand it up just so it's out of the way. I like having the protector so it doesn't scratch up bags and things like that. And then the other thing I like to carry is a lip gloss or a lip balm depending on the day, so that can definitely fit as well. I like to have this little mirror and mirror comb combo that I got from Phuket, I think. Yeah, Phuket, or from a boutique that carries Phuket or something. This I think I would actually slide right here in the front just because I don't want it to get damaged by taking things in and out. I probably will only need that for, random occasions. And then a couple of the other things that I like to carry with me, but I don't think I'll be able to fit all of this. Well, I know I won't be able to fit all of it, are my AirPods. So I think my AirPods can definitely fit in there. And then I do like to carry this, especially in the summer. This is a sunscreen, and so this is to reapply. This is the Beauty of Joseon sunscreen, and so it just goes, you can put it on top of your makeup, and I don't think I'll be able to fit that in here. I'd have to remove something else. Like, it's a little, oh, actually, if I really want to squeeze it, I can. Wow. Okay, I didn't expect that to fit. Actually, I'll move it here beside my phone. So if you're really into Tetris with your bag, okay, it absolutely does fit. I'm a little shocked. And then I have my sunglasses, which are totally not going to fit. If you want to fit sunglasses, like, I could stick them, I never do this, but I could stick them on the back into this little slip pocket, or I just would have to wear them. But yeah, and then I think you have a little bit of extra space here for something thin. I don't know what I would put there. I don't think I need to put anything else there. But if you do, you have a little bit of extra space. This kind of accordion folds out a little bit. And then, of course, you have the back slip pocket. I wouldn't put anything in here unless I'm actually needing it secure, like tickets or receipts or something like that. I don't think that I would be using this every day because I just don't want to stretch out the leather. But yeah, this actually fits really nicely. You can see everything fits in there, and then when I close it, nothing is bulging, I don't think. So you can see that, yeah, it's beautiful and compact. It's not too heavy. Lovely. Okay, that's all of my everyday absolute essentials. Let's unpack it now. Sunscreen, wallet, headphones, cell phone, lippy, keys, and a little mirror. All right, let me know if you want to see anything else about this bag.